Hey guys! Today I'm unboxing the JBL Vibe Buds 2 and showing some cool tips and tricks to get the most out of these earbuds. Let's go! When you open the box, you'll find the splash-proof charging case with the earbuds, multiple sizes of ear tips, and the quick start guide. Before you can vibe with your earbuds, you need to connect them via Bluetooth. Here's how. Grab the case and take out the earbuds. Peel off the protection strips from the connector pins. Try out the different sizes of ear tips to get the perfect fit for you. Pop the earbuds back into the case. To power on the earbuds, take them out of the charging case. The LED indicator will start blinking blue. Grab your phone and connect via Bluetooth. Using Android? Add the earbuds to your Google account to use the fast pair function on all your other Android devices. To connect the JBL Vibe Buds 2 to multiple devices, tap the earbud once, then hold for 5 seconds. Pair the earbuds to the second device. Your JBL Vibe Buds will automatically enable mono or stereo mode depending on how many earbuds you are using. Do you want to control the volume, switch songs, or pick up calls? Use the easy gestures on your earbuds. For all the gestures, check the Quick Start guide or enable advanced controls by using the JBL Headphones app. Do more with the app. Download the JBL Headphones app via the QR code in the Quick Start guide. Connect your earbuds to your phone, open the app, and control ambient sound, tweak gestures, or customize the equalizer. Did you know your JBL Vibe Buds 2 earbuds are IP54 water and dust resistant, so you can use them in light rainy conditions? Almost out of battery? Just plug a USB-C cable into the charging case and you'll get a full charge in just 2 hours. In a hurry? With only 10 minutes of charging, you'll get 3 hours of playtime. Need a factory reset? Take the earbuds out of the charging case, then tap one of the earbuds twice and hold it for 5 seconds. Your earbuds are back to factory settings.